Just like for management, we expand some secretaries or personal representative. Similarly, there is good management in Krishna's affairs. The original person is Krishna, and his expansions, they are also as good as Krishna, but departmental. That in the spiritual world, Sankarshan is the supreme manager. And so far, the material world is concerned, the same person is the supreme, but his name is different. Karunabdhishayi. In the spiritual world, the name is Sankarshan, and the material world, the supreme superintendent is also the same person, but name is different. Karunabdhishayi. This Karunabdhishayi is Maya Bharta. Bharta means husband. Just like husband begets children in the womb of the wife, similarly, all these universes are impregnated in the total material energy, Maya, by Karuna Vishnu. That is stated in the Bhagavad Gita. Sarvajoni shukavanteya sambhavanti murtaya ya tasanga mahajjani brahma ahanga bijapada pita. The bijapada pita, the father is the seed-giving person, and the mother is receiving this seed, and then she is impregnated and develops the body. As we have got experience, the creation, the creative energy, this is going on. The same process everywhere. This Karunabdhishayi Vishnu, we have already discussed to some extent, is the origin of this material creation. That the scientist says that, I do not know exactly what is their theory, but so far I've heard that there are so many theories. One of them is there was a chunk, and from that this material creation took place. Can any one of you say? What do they say about the creation?
Yeah, one theory is that there's a big chunk, and then from that everything else came. It exploded.
Explosion, Big Bang. Big Bang, big explosion.
So what from the chunk came? And that is not. That is their brain fact, that they are simply trying to get everything from matter. That is their material brain. But we see here that the origin is not matter. Origin is Vishnu, Mahavishnu. So Mahavishnu is the supreme. So, Mahavishnu. So, we cannot accept such nonsense theory that chunk exploded. Where is the evidence that a chunk explodes automatically? How nonsense theory it is. We have got experience, there is explosion of big mountains when there is dynamite. And the dynamite is given by some person. So how explosion can take place without the hand of somebody else, some living entity? This simple theory, they cannot understand that where is the evidence that matter acts automatically? Where is the evidence? How you can say that there was a chunk? Suppose there was a chunk. First of all, the question will be, who made this chunk? And then again, the next question will be, how explosion took place unless there was some living being to explode. As we have got experience that sometimes we explode the mountain with dynamite, and that is arranged by a living being. Yeah? They have no common sense even, and they're passing as big philosophers, scientists. And where is the evidence? Can anyone say, is there any evidence that matter explodes without a living being's touch? Is there any? No.
The sun,
Huh?
so many explosions are going on in the sun every day.
That is the same thing that Bishchik Tundulanda. Explosion is going on, but behind that, all these explosions, all these transformations, is the Supreme Lord. That is here. And it is confirmed in the Bhagavad Gita, Maya dhakshena prakriti swate sacharacharam hetunanena konteya jagadvi parivartate. They do not see who is behind this explanation. That is their ignorance or poor fund of knowledge. We have got practical experience that no explosion takes place without the touch of a human being. Similarly, even there is explosion going on, but there is a touch of the Supreme Being. That is the statement in the Bhagavad. Maya dhakshena. We are seeing the explosion. There's a child sees the explosion. He does not know that behind the explosion there is the management of a superior being. This is childish observation, because in Shastra that behind everything the hand of the Supreme Being is there, and by our practical experience also we see that matter does not act automatically without being touched by a living being. So how we can accept this argument that the explosion is going on automatically? What is the evidence? There is no evidence. So this is not. Besides that, we have to accept the Vedic injunction, Shastric injunction, not nonsensical theories. If we are guided by nonsensical theories, then we will never be able to understand how things are going on. With the mental speed airplane, if you start today and go for many millions of years, still it will be not possible to find out where from the explosion is coming. So that is not the way. Therefore, Sruti Pramana. Sruti Pramana means from the Vedic evidence we have to understand. Therefore, if we want to have knowledge, we cannot do it by mental speculation. We should know that our mind is very limited. Simply by theorizing, it is not possible. Therefore, tadvaviga chet samit prani srutinam brahmanishtam. So, we have to know from the Supreme Authority or the Vedas, then the knowledge will be perfect.